More than 800,000 people fled their homes as torrential monsoon rains battered the Philippine capital of Manila and 17 nearby provinces. The heavy downpour caused widespread flooding and triggered landslides, leaving at least 19 people dead. Using a rubber boat, CBN Disaster Relief helped rescue those stranded by the flood waters.
Yesterday, we rescued about 38 plus 13 people. As we go into the phase of relief, we will be putting up teams like medical teams and relief teams. We need to give them food. We need to give them medical assistance. We need to ask them, do you need to clean up the